There's Eric. Hey, I'm surprised you ain't wrenching on something. You don't ever quit.
I got to work on the trailer. I'm taking a break. We got a week, so I'm just taking my time.
Take the time.
Yeah.
Take the time.
All the big stuff's fixed.
Bring her up. You all throw Mechanic Eric's Cash App in the comments, and to anyone that don't know, it's # Eric the Mechanic 2022.
Good job.
Hey, we're getting.
I get a lot of attention being the mechanic of the Convoy, but there's a lot that I do, and I think they need a little recognition too. We've got Andy, the very tall guy there, who I don't see much anymore because his wife has now stolen him away from me. There's Dennis, there's Brian, there's Monkey. I haven't been up here for a few days. We had a kind of a rough day when we were going from where we were to the casino. We had a few breakdowns on the way, so on and so forth. And unfortunately, the trailer that we had wasn't available to us. Brian pulled out of his own pocket to rent a U-Haul trailer so that we could get that vehicle back. That was awesome.
Thank you.
Andy over here, man, we had a full-size van, weighed more than what that trailer could have pulled in the first place. And he literally, parts guy that ran for him, were able to get that van up and going and functional. Lots of hard work. They did a really good job, so they need recognition. WYSIWYG. Did I pronounce that right? Is that how it is? WYSIWYG? WYSIWYG? Is it WYSIWYG? WYSIWYG? I just call him WYSIWYG. I can't. Okay, WYSIWYG. He was able to get a whole bunch of people that are at home helping us through an online system that he set up. That I was able to deal with Dustin's car. Where are you, Dustin? There's Dustin. He was also the guy that part, and I was able to just tell him the make, model, year of the vehicle, and the part was waiting at the casino for me. Well, not 100% waiting for me. They found it, they located it, and they priced it. And the mayor of Hagertown, Lisa, where are you, Lisa? There's Lisa.
What did I do?
Came out of her own pocket until I could reimburse her and bought those parts and took care of it.
DFS, open your ears, brother. He said on the way.
Organize that a little differently.
Are you on the phone?
I'm always on Discord.
Always on the phone, huh?
Well, no, I have the chat room. Right now I'm in with the pit crew team that is helping Eric find and source parts on the road.
Okay.
So that's who I'm talking to. But, you can
Is
interrupt me.
it kind of like a chat room kind of thing, just on the phone?
Yeah, so Discord's really great. And that's how I met Dwayne, because Dwayne was hanging out. Dwayne hasn't been around at all lately in our Discord. You've been keeping it busy, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
So right now there's...
My Dwayne.
What?
My Dwayne.
You're Dwayne.
Okay,
yeah.
all right.
He was hanging out with us for a few days, quite consistently. But so these are all the people that are part of the pit crew right now that are able to join in. So it's just a voice channel. And the voice channel up here has a whole bunch of people that are just hanging out in the lounge that I spend time with while I'm live streaming. They can ask me questions without having to go through chat. And it's a community thing. Okay. But we're also like...
Are they hearing you talk right now?
Yeah, they're hearing me talk and they can hear you through
Hello.
my earpiece. They're saying, hi Stan, it's...
Yeah,
so...
okay.
Yeah, they're all excited that you're hanging out talking. But
okay.
So this Discord channel has chat rooms where they put memes in there, convoy clips and info, screenshots that they take, their animals, food. I guess somebody wanted to show off their food, so they created that channel. Garden. But then we have pit crew. So the pit crew uses this one, and they communicate on a separate channel. And then when they're looking for a part, they can create a thread so that they stay with it. And it's just a really good organizational system for what Eric's doing to alleviate him having to do that from his truck. And so far it's working out pretty good. But as we find little snafus, they're working on fixing that.
I guess this is
And
in the very beginning of the morning, to start with that, the driver of the TNT truck, which unfortunately I don't remember his name, but he knows who he is. Hello, where is he? Is it Ken? out X-Ray's vehicle and got the brakes all done. You know, it's a big teamwork. You know, a lot of people here are making this work, and I appreciate every single one of you. You know, thank you very much for helping take the burden off my back and making me look good.
We appreciate you, brother.
You know? Unfortunately, I just got news that Andy's not going to be here with us for much longer. How much longer are you going to be with us, Andy? Andy's leaving tomorrow. So everybody, you know, give him a good clap of appreciation for everything he's done.
Thank you, brother.
We have to find another hotel too. They've been putting up a lot of people in that RV.
Yeah. Andy's a great guy. I'm seriously going to miss him. He's one of the guys that sits here and stays in the back and helps me keep you guys safe. You know, I'm not taking anything away from Monkey. Monkey does a great job of being right there in the middle of the pack, but he stays back here with me in the back and, you know, helps break down the ones that maybe Monkey has missed because he's too far ahead. You know, he's a good, great guy. I'm going to miss him a lot.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
All right. So last but not least, I want to thank all the viewers on the streamers' websites. Things like when Dustin didn't have quite enough to replace his radiator, that buddy was able to sit here and help buy him a radiator. When we had to work on Little Big Rig's truck, we only brought the tools that we thought we needed to fix our stuff. So, you know, we were able to buy angle pliers and grinders and stuff like that. And that's all because of you. It's all because of you viewers that donated to the Cash App. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are helping to make this happen too. Helping to keep this convoy rolling. So your streamers know the Cash App. I'm not going to blast it out here because I haven't gotten permission from the bus to do that. But your streamers know who I am and what the Cash App is, and I definitely appreciate everything that you guys have donated. It's helped to keep this convoy going. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Eric.
God bless. Freedom. You know, basically, like I said up on the stage, you know, we're trying to sit here and we're trying. You know, unfortunately, a lot of the mechanics, we didn't come here to be mechanics. We came here just to be, you know, people with the convoy and people that are in need. And we've had to do things like buy tools, jobs, lost their houses, and they can't afford to fix their cars. And, you know, with this many miles, things are breaking down. So, I mean, we've gotten some donation money and we've been able to help a lot of people, but, you know, as time's going on, you know, there's more people that need it. If you guys want to help out, my Cash App is $ Eric the Mechanic 2022. You know, I'm just trying to. If you guys can help me out with this, I'd appreciate it. You know, thank you very much.
Eric's a good man, folks. I've seen him.
I fixed Santa's truck with electrical tape just to get him home, and then we fixed it the right way.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you.
God bless you, buddy.
Catch you later, buddy.